Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to demonstrate that how do you use Google Sheet to translate batches of words from one source language into a different source languages. For example, on my screen, if you see on the column B, I have written the source language as English and my target languages are like French, Hindi, Spanish, Korean and Japanese. You can add more languages as well. So what you have to do, as always, the source languages, you can just type in this column B, and in the French, you have to write a formula like equal to Google Translate. This is my source language B4 cell, and why I have put dollar here because I don't want to change my column name because my column B is consistent and 4 is my cell location. And my source language is EN, which is stand for English, and the target language is French. Now you will ask me that how do we identify this code? So it's pretty simple. English, the first two letter of a language you need to pick it up. For example, English, ENGLISH. So you pick up English. For French, FR. For Hindi, it will be HI. For Spanish, it will be ES. For Korean, it will be KO. And for Japanese, it will be JA. So it is as simple as that. So once you do that, you will get the languages here. Now so you see these are the translation. Now if you want to do in this batch job, you just select here all the languages and then you scroll it down here. Now see everything got translated here. So this is a very easy way you can probably use it in your system. Now let's suppose you are in a situation where you don't know the source language and you want to understand what exactly the source language. So what you can do here, you can even type auto here. For example, I don't know the source language. How do I do that? So it will automatically detect, okay, which is my source language here. Now in terms of if you are curious to know how does this Google Translate work, you can even look into this Google Translate Google Doc editors. I will put that link in the video here and you can see what exactly does it mean. But in a layman terminology, you have to use a formula called Google Translate, source language and the target location, then you should be all done. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please do like and subscribe and I will keep on posting such kind of a great videos for all of you. Thank you and you all have a great day ahead. Bye. Thank you.